You can fail 1,000 times, man. Sometimes it takes 10,000 times to get something right. That's how people get good at what they do. They practice. You're not gonna win all the time. You're not gonna succeed all the time. Just take it as a lesson.
Perfect.
So what's been up? What have you been up to?
Young hyena, I eat ya. Young high beast on high beast, I'm eat the track keep up. Will not need for any besides Jesus. And my girl got a Khaled album body. Nice features.
We got a hyena up in here. What the hell just happened?
Every scar came with a scandal, but it's nothing Jiggy Jigga can't handle. Should I tell you I don't never introduce myself? And it ain't cause I ain't got no manners. Have you ever seen a kid work harder than Nana? I ain't never had no Nana. Niggas hating on me cause it don't matter. I'm Jiggy Jesus and Balenciaga sandals. Now you know. I'ma go on the low. I'm a pimp on the low. But I don't put my hand on a hoe. I've been to hell and back, got cold. I was on the dope, skipping class like rope. Every single time I go home, I gotta put something on the stove. PVT location, pin drop on the hills. Easy E dark shades, take a lot of steals. Fashion forward soon, Tommy Ford, boom. All your hoes doom, all your hoes doom. Da Vinci, Da Vinci, Da Vinci, Da Vinci. Fashion forward soon, Tommy Ford, boom. All your hoes doom, all your hoes doom. I'm on the roll like a dry fire. Playing these hoes, I'm a liar. Thinking I'm gonna retire. Why? Nigga, you gotta be high. I am a fucking messiah. Konnichiwa, now get in the line. I got the view of a pelican eye. She give me hit, it's an alien size. Alright. It's a Africa Asian collide. Is you with it or not?
暇だったら来ればいい。暇ないなら来なくていい。
Shawty think I'm thugging hard. I can't even hit the gym, I'm scared to take a loss, boy. Fell in love with these songs, it was love at first sight. Fell in love with this shit, it was love at first right. I was in the dark place, couldn't find a light. Then I hit a lick as if my pen didn't wanna write. God's flow.
I'm just trying to go everywhere, touch every single soul that I can with my music. See who's rocking with it. And do something very big, man, for Africa.